Oh, my bad. Shouldn't have done that. It's a bad habit, actually. I do that sometimes. Bad habit. I don't know. It's like my legs are thinking more ahead than my brain. Hey, eltonmcfall here. Yeah, just over the pond from Montreal. They're over the river. That's Montreal over there. I'm on the Laval side. See, the buses are different. It's just a slightly different Nova Scotia, that's all. Now there's the bus I could have actually taken to come into town. I was going to take it. I had no idea that 439 ran into all the way into Laval. But then I'm sitting there taking a break because I've walked a lot today. And I thought to myself, wait a minute. If I take that bus, it's probably going to cost me extra, even though I have an Opus monthly card bus pass. Well, it's not monthly nowadays, it's weekly, but that's another story. But I'm like, forget it. I'm like, what? It's a 20-minute walk, big deal, you know. I am not in a rush. I'm never in a rush to take scrap anyway. But it's good to know, though, that bus line is there. I had no idea, again, that express bus ran all the way up here to Laval. And imagine, to my surprise, even when I was on the bridge down there, I could hear a siren. That sounded like an old siren. I said, oh man, I think there's a fire station on this side here. And I looked it up, and in fact, yeah, just like not even a 10-minute walk from the bridge here. It's going to be a really windy walk, like the title says. So I don't know if you're going to hear everything I say, because it was really windy when I walked across this before. And that was probably about 45 minutes ago, I guess. Anyway, today is the 20th of July, 2024. So it's kind of a cool view, kind of different. Boy, you know what? There's no old cars anymore, it seems, sometimes in Montreal, this stupid ass city, because I did a walking video even on Henri Bourassa over there, and I walked a long time. Never saw any old cars. I come up here, I'm there 5 minutes. I see a Deuce Coupe from the 30s, hot rod. I saw a Lexus LS 400, Mazda RX-7 from the 80s. I mean, you know, I saw an 80s Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. That's Montreal for you. It's just becoming more of a shithole all the time. What can I tell you? So we're just going to take it nice and slow. This is a cool bridge. You can see this was redone really not long ago. I like the green and the sorry about that. I like the design of it. Anyway, I'm showing myself now because again, I don't know, it's going to get real windy here real shortly, and I don't even want to take my hat off because it's protecting me from or somewhat protecting my coco, my head, from getting the melanoma again. Where's all that wind there was before? Okay, it's coming now. Here we go. I've got an oldie in my head. It hurts to be in love. Da, 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 da. Yeah, here we go. Here comes the pain. No, I'm kidding. You know, it's funny though, it goes to show you this is really an extension of suburbs of Montreal, because I only crossed one person that walked across the bridge the whole time I walked across, not even a cyclist. So, yeah. Oh yeah, it's just been a perfect summer day. It's 27 degrees Celsius. There's a really strong breeze, wind. The humidity is not bad. It's about 50-something%. Yesterday was even better. It was like 30-something. So it's just great to be out. I'm not going to do no painting today, man, you know? So look at this guy. Look at this guy. Okay. Maybe he thought he was fishing there. Maybe he's smoking a joint. I don't know if you're going to hear everything I say. You can see it's pretty bad now, this wind. I'm going to take my hat off, actually. Love the color on that Hyundai. Yeah, so we're going to walk this right until we're done at Henri Bourassa Boulevard. Just something a little different for you, for me there. out here, right? So you can look at that murky, disgusting water here. Right? On that side. Oh man, believe it, I was walking up here and I saw like a late 60s, early 70s Alfa Romeo, what is it, Giulia Sprint. And I just put an ad for one of those yesterday. Greek origin, maybe it's possible. So yeah, imagine, to my surprise, I get to the fire station on the other side there, and there's a pumper in there. Right away they got a call. They can recognize the chime even when the door's closed. The door's open, pumper comes out, they hook up the rescue boat trailer. Wow, talk about some talking. And then not long after that, there's a fire truck. Imagine that. Oh my god, it's windy. No, it's not windy at all, not at all. Not windy. Holy Jesus Christ. This reminds me of that time I climbed up the top of a mountain in I think it was Saratoga, New York, when I was in Scouts. I don't even know what you're hearing. And yeah, they get to the top, it's freaking snowing, the winds are like this, like 80, 100 kilometers an hour. Come on, are there any interesting cars here? What the hell do you think those white lines were for right there? All these cross lines. Slow people down. See, I mean, look, nobody walks across here. Nobody's biking here. Maybe one day I'll bike across here. I don't know. It's kind of neat though. You're gonna get to see like people's backyards in a moment here. Oh yes, coming up to the famous, kind of like a Ferris wheel coming up here. What do we got here? Mustang. It's Mustang. That's right, buddy. It clocked you like it's on radar. Yeah, right. Beautiful red then. Look at that old house, eh? Beautiful. Ooh, there's the 439. Arctic scrap. See, look, there's Boulevard Gouin, one of the longest streets in the city. Oh wow, somebody else is actually walking here. It's incredible. Amazing. Yeah, he's about my age. A lot of people don't like that Ferris looking wheel thing. I think it's a waste of money. I don't know. I think it's pretty cool. I think it definitely helps the area, that's for sure. I mean, So if I wanted to go home now, I could go either two ways. Take the 439 all the way to Hochelaga, or I could take the 69 or one of those buses to Henri Bourassa Metro Station. What a weird place to have a pool, eh? Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Not a very long video like the one I just did there on Henri Bourassa Boulevard, but whatever, still something interesting or different to watch. You can watch a lot worse things on YouTube, believe me. And if there's one thing I'm a little annoyed with YouTube, afraid of it, not afraid of, but that's annoyed, is people who, you know, they make videos and they do this clickbait, and then you watch it and it's like they don't get to the point right away. They're just dragging on and on about whatever. It's just, I just click off. I'm like, yeah, whatever, okay, I lost interest, you know, whatever, hell with it. So, but yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do, because I walked a long time, I'm a little bit beat now, so I don't know. I like, it's interesting when you get to the corner here, you see there's all this green space here, right on this side too, on this side, the west side of P9, and they didn't mow any of it because they don't want people pitching up tents and living there. Simple as that. Fortunately, is what it is. Even all this, I don't know. I'm supposed to trim this probably, you know. So there you go, boys and girls. Thanks for watching. You want to support the channel? Check me out, Elton McFall at Patreon. I think I should start putting a link to that actually, maybe. Or hey, if you want to actually even better than that, go to check out my unique T-shirts of my artwork, my paintings and all that on T-shirts through Teespring, or Spring I should say. And yeah, get yourself something unique. Hey, look at that! Finishing off on a high note. Look at that Oldsmobile Alero. Look at that, it's in good shape. This car is like 20 years old easy. Sorry, over 20 years old, because the last year for Oldsmobile was actually in 2003. This guy's hiding my view. That thing is in great shape actually, and it's red. It wasn't a great car, but it wasn't a horrible car either. I mean, you know. So there you go, man, there you go. Finish here with the friggin' Ferris wheel here. Maybe it should be a real Ferris wheel, you know? How's that for an idea? Thinking back to the fair I saw at Pierrefonds a while back there, you know? So, I guess he's honking at me, I don't know. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and take care, be well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.